today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Whop account. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the address bar located at the top. Type in whop.com and press enter. This action will take you straight to the Whop website, the starting point for accessing your account. Upon arrival, your next move is to look for the Sign In button, easily recognizable on their homepage. Give that a click. After clicking on the Sign In option, you'll notice you'll be redirected to a Login Preference page. Now here is where it gets interesting. Whop offers you various ways to access your account. You can simply opt to log in using your email address, which might be familiar and straightforward for those of you who have your login credentials handy. Alternatively, if you prefer the simplicity of integration, Whop also allows you to use your Google account, your Apple account, or even your Discord account as your login method. Simply choose the option that aligns best with your preference or convenience. It's crucial to remember, though, this guide serves those who already possess a Whop account. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Assuming you've made your decision and selected your method of logging in, you'll be smoothly redirected to Whop's homepage. And just like that, you're successfully logged into your account. See? It's a rather seamless process, and you're all set to explore what Whop has to offer. If this guide was helpful to you, don't hesitate to hit that like button. For more insights and convenient guides just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you want to be notified about our latest uploads, make sure to tap the bell icon. Keep exploring and enjoy using Whop.